Dear customer, this is a video of the unpack of our 80-volt jewelry laser welding machine and also the operation video for the machine as well. When you receive our package from this wooden box, after remove the cover, as you can see inside of this wooden package box, you will see the first thing you will see is a plastic water tube. And package for the 10x microscope. And package box of the full switch. And also the electrical wire for the power supply. Inside of this plastic bag, we have 6 pieces of protective lens. And metal screw to adjust the microscope. And also a black color plastic plug for the outlet water tube. And also the machine itself. This is how the microscope is installed. Use the screw from the metal screw from the plastic bag. And next we're going to plug one side of the electrical wire to connecting the electrical wire and turn the power on. After the power supply wire is connected, the next step is turn on the machine. On the left side, there is a key switch. You just need to turn it to on and release the emergency button. And the machine will be automatically turned on. After the machine is turned on, the next step is fill up the water inside of for the water cooling system to operating. As you can see, the water bottle right there. For the better protect the machine, we recommend to use the purified water or the distilled water. After the water tube is connected with the water tank, the next step is to input a password to suck the water from the water tank. And input the password with 26272829. Press the enter button and then press the start button to bring in the water. After you hear the beep sound from the machine, which means the water pump inside the machine is full and the water is filled out for the water cooling system, and the process will be automatically stopped. On the back side of our machine, there are all the wiring interface. From the left side, this is a water inlet tube. This is water outlet tube. As we mentioned earlier, the black color plastic plug within the plastic bag, you'll find all the two color black color plastic plug. On the middle there is a round interface for the noise cancelling function, which to lower the sound during the working when the machine is functioning. On the right side, this is dry air, which represents the this is a interface tube for the protective gas. You can always connecting the air tube and the other side with the air tank. You can either for the protective gas you can either use argon gas or nitrogen gas. On the right side is the laser signs represent the full switch for the machine. This is a full switch wire. When you plug this full switch, be careful to aim the two tiny needle hole. Otherwise, it will be not easy to plug the wire with it. On the very left side, the very right side, this is the power supply wire. This is the push switch. This is the high adjustable 2D working table. This is the stainless plate we're going to test. This is a high resolution CCTV camera, as you can see on the screen. Every letter from the watermark cover is clearly displayed on our LCD resolution CCD screen. And now we are going to start the welding testing process. Now we're going to start powering out the machine. You just need to wait for a few seconds and then press the on button like what we did before, and then the machine will be automatically turned on. That is